In the last video we have seen that how to set up the XREF, and now we will start to work on the furniture plan. So what I'm going to do now is that in the first video we have made the furniture plan. Simple. I'm going to open the furniture plan. Very good. And from now here I don't want these tags. I don't want to see the tags in the furniture plan. So simply I can just go to this layers panel, and here there is an option for the freeze. So I can just click on freeze. I come back and click on this one. You see it's gone. This is gone. So this makes my life little easier. Even I'm going to freeze this also, just to make the drawing bit more clear. Right. So drawing is ready to work now, and I'm going to save it. Perfect. And I'm just going to put here. The thing is that I'm going to send you a picture. Yeah, I'm going to send you a picture of the furniture plan. So yes, so your furniture is looking something like this: a simple chair, table, and 2 chairs for the visitors, and a desk. Right. So I'm coming back to my plan. So the thing is that, as we discussed, that we have to work through the library. So I'm just going to open the library for you now. Yeah, I have a lot of library, but I'm going to work on one file, and I'm going to share only one file with you now. Once you're familiar, I can share with you the remaining files. So I'm going to open this. I'm just performing some steps here. You don't need to do this. Okay, fine. So this is your library now. Great. So this is your plan, and you're going to put something like that. So now you have a freedom. The concept is that I need the table, chair, and the 2 visitor chair, and the desk. So if you want to do the same way, go ahead. If you want to modify and put your own design, like you want to put the chair in this direction, table like this, the desk here, I don't have any problem with that, but that's the basic concept, this one. So you'll go to the library and you will try to find the same thing. Like for example, this is the table and chair. Okay, you can come here. So see, these are all the desk. So that's what I was saying, like somebody has taken this desk, but you are free. You can take this one, or you can choose this one, or you can choose this one, simple table and chair, or you can choose something with a computer and all of these things. So it's completely your choice. Even if you want, you can take that also. Okay, I'll take the simple thing, the same thing. So how to do that now? Like if you have a library, how to do that? You're going to select it, and you're going to right click and go to the clipboard and say copy. So this way you're going to copy the object. It's copied now. You won't see it, but it is copied in the clipboard. I'm going to my plan now, and I'm going to right click and say clipboard and paste. Right, so I can just keep outside first to not mess up in my drawing, and I'm going to use my simple rotate command and rotate. And yeah, if your drawing is rotating freely, you can just press the ortho key, so your drawing is straight. Just move it and keep it here. Now you have the option to select it, and yeah, how to move that? Yes, this is important. I want to move it straight to the wall. So click on the move, select the furniture, right click, press, so first click on the end point, then press shift and right click and choose perpendicular, so that you are moving straight to the wall. That's good. I think this space we need for the chair to move back. So that's fine. And now you have the option to put the desk here or the desk here. So let's go back and check the desk if we have any kind of a desk here. Yeah, we have one, but this is something like that, so I think no. Okay, for now I can take this one. So I'll do the same thing, clipboard, copy, and I go to the plan and go for the same thing, clipboard and paste. So I keep my furniture here and I'm going to rotate it and move from this endpoint to the wall endpoint. Yeah, for me this is the setup. Now how you can do another way is that you just rotate it and move everything like this. You can move this desk here, move here, and you can move it close to the wall here, and then this desk can be at this point. So this is your choice, you go this way or you go this way, no problem with that. And still you can find a lot of furnitures here, so try to use this one file and then we can see the remaining files. So this way you see this they kept this as a reception. Simple, this is very simple, but some people have done a little more clearly actually. Okay, so I think that's it from my side. The only thing is that you have to remember, select, right click, copy, and clipboard and copy, and when you go to your plan, clipboard and paste. And I think after that you are very well aware of doing the stuff for you, right? Okay, thank you.